Hi, my name's Maureen Tersmanovich, but my friends call me Maura. I live in Lenoka Harbor, New Jersey, which is north of Atlantic City. I work in Little Lake Harbor, New Jersey, and we live close and I work close to water, but we're not on the water. My husband's retired, his name's Al, and my daughter has her own home. She's a speech language pathologist. Her name's Kelsey, and she works in the same district that I work in. She's getting married in July, so we're very excited about that. My son Matthew moved back home once COVID-19 became, a thing, and he works from home as a software designer. I have two dogs. I have Willow and Gizmo. They keep us company all the time. My mom lived with us for the last 3 years, but sadly she passed away in January, so we're getting accustomed to a new way of life. I'm a Orton Gillingham certified teacher and teacher trainer. I teach through Fairleigh Dickinson University, a graduate program for teachers. It's a practicum program where teachers can earn a certificate as an Orton Gillingham teacher. So I do that as well as my full-time job as a special ed Orton Gillingham teacher. I also do interventions within school, students who are brought up who are struggling in reading. What I hope to earn at Fort Hayes is a master's in education with a concentration as a reading specialist. I'm hoping that all the classes I take will help me learn more strategies to help my students who are struggling readers. This year, I've had to take my Orton Gillingham program and try to marry it with a Wilson program of Just Words and Foundations. So I'm not really writing my own curriculum, but I'm tweaking different components of all the programs and help the students who didn't qualify to fit into a Just Words program, but still use the same terminology. So in the future, when they do qualify to get into a Wilson program, they'll at least understand the vocabulary. And I look forward to meeting all of you this semester. Thank you.